Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and I'm just coming on real quick because I wanted to show you my health planner. I want to show you what I did this week. Here it is. This is my new layout for the week of the 28th through the 4th of May. And this week I am trying something different with my tracking. Last week, as you'll recall, I did this with the Planner Kate things. This week I'm just using the post-it notes on the weeks for Hubman and Chubgirl space thing. This was on there. I thought let's use them, and then I can just mark off the days that I've done stuff. And actually I did take that last night. So this, I think I'm going to try this little method here. I've also gotten a different place to put some notes, actually more area for notes, and I had that over here last time. So I didn't, I'm doing okay on my tracking this week. I don't necessarily have to do it every day. But anyway, I do like to put notes down here, and I've got my other little tracking thing, my shot and my weight. I am going to start tracking where I'm doing my shot this now, and then of course my weight. So anyway, I just want to show you that real quick. The other thing I wanted to show you is what I did with my storage. As I've talked about on my other videos, I've had redoing my storage, organizing and stuff, my desk. And so I wanted to show you. So what I used to have, if you've seen this, you know that I had my Planner Kate. Oh, hold on, let me zoom out, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is Planner Kate, and if you see my other videos, you have seen this thing. It's chock full, you can't move, stuff's flying out the top. So I redid this, and I only put Planner Kate in it. I like it now. I've also got my layouts together so that, the different pieces, there's weeks in here, there's cousins, whatever I bought of this theme, I've got it in the pocket, so that makes it better. And then I bought this from Planner Kate, and that's got her freebies. It really works. And I'm finding binders are best for me as a storage thing. It's just a storage idea for you, because I would see-through pockets so I can see what I've got. And then I did this with I got the freebies from Hubman and Chubgirl, and then I bought the inserts, and their inserts are awesome, you guys. They have one with 4 pockets like this. There are 4 pockets for small. This one is the 2 pockets, and then the long one, which is great for holding their things. Let's see, I don't think I have a 4 pockets. This one is the 2 pockets, and it has, this is actually the coloring stuff, and I just got the color book in. But look, I've put the themes together so that I have everything together, except now the weeks, there is one where I have all the weeks. But anyway, that's how I'm doing it. I find it's better than you have everything together, you know where it is. I can see it because it's in the clear here. And I just find it makes me more excited to work on things. So that's what I'm doing with that, with my freebies. I bought the inserts. Those are great. They have a few types, and I suggest you buy them. Now, for everything else, you do not have to run out and buy lots of stuff. I just looked around my house, and I found this binder. And then what I also found were these Polly Pockets. Now you can buy them. Oh, sorry. It needs to be the other way, doesn't it? Okay, so I found these Polly Pockets, and I am finding I can put, each sticker company in there. This is my extras that I want to keep and use. And then each different sticker company is in here now, and it really works well. And the best thing about these is they hold everything in. Everything is not going to be split, and I can pull these out. And I'm finding this is the best for me, and you'll see this on my videos now. I usually pull it out. Anyway, so that is just a storage idea for you guys. And that's what I really want to kind of quickly show you. So it's good. You want to get organized with your stickers so you know what you've got, and so you know what you're doing. So anyway, thank you all for joining me today. I'm so glad that you're here. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you another day. Keep on planning. Bye-bye.